Check audio. He's good.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I normally set up my YouTube videos and all the things that go with it. So let's get started. But wait, if you're new around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video for more content like this one because, you know, more content. Okay, so first things first, normally what I'll do is I will set up the lights, and I guess because I got new gear, I will also be setting up the microphone stuff. So first let's set up the lights and then we'll go from there. By the way, this is how I keep track, because I don't have an external monitor, this is how I keep track of my shot and making sure that I'm in frame and all those kind of things. So to explain it, Canon has this feature where you can, I guess, send a feed to your iPad or your iPhone so that you can see what it looks like. And right now it's blurry. So I'm gonna just tap on myself. There you go, so then it's in focus. So you can use this in different ways. You can use it as a remote shutter or a remote to press the button, the remote shutter button, remote, yeah, that thing. Sorry, it's been a long day. So the lights that I have with me is the GVM LED lights. I think it's 400. If not, I will put it somewhere in the video. But the GVM lights is what I have, the Great Video Maker lights. And it comes with 3, the pack that I bought comes in 3. And then it comes obviously with the lights, it comes with the stand, and it comes with the plug. It comes with this great carrying case too as well. So today we're preparing for a video with Joel Bastian, a good friend of mine. We're gonna be interviewing him about Instagram and what he does and all that. So that's why I'm setting up this stage, the backdrop and all that. Here's the first light. Need the plugs. Hang this away. Okay, so there's the front, and then the stands and 2 more lights are in the back. Move that. There's the stands. That's the first one. And the third stand. Okay. Then I need the other lights. There you go. Put this here. So I don't actually have a colored backdrop. So what I do is I splash the light onto this wall right here, and then I choose what color I want it to be, whether that's, you know, purple and blue, green, red, whatever I want to do with that is the color that I choose. Get that set up. Then obviously I'll have my main light for lighting my face. Let me move this camera around so that we get a different angle. Bring it down a bit. Light sources, light sources. Okay, there's the first one. Maybe I'll change it to blue. Kind of like the last setup that I did with the Shure unboxing where I shot in the corner.
Oh yeah, maybe I should do an ASMR channel. You can even hear my nose whistle.
Now when you're living in a small space, you just gotta make do with what you got. So even if you have just a tiny wall or a little space, you gotta just go with the flow. You gotta go with what you got. There you go, there's that. Plug this in. Okay, that's in. Put this down, open this up. Boom, light. All right, now we need to set up the microphone, so let's do that. Okay, so here's the arm, the desktop arm that we'll be using today. First we need to clamp it. Oh, I need the cardboard. Where's the cardboard? Cardboard because the desk is too thin for the clamp. What am I doing? It needs to be over here so that I can put my mic in front of me. I might have to stand. I don't know. We'll see. The arm. Obviously the Shure MV7. Let's change the light. Let's change it to blue. Yeah, let's do that. Keep that for right now. There's the microphone. Nice. Make sure we're doing this right. I guess I could do it like this, right? So let's see how that looks. I want to see. Yeah, that kind of works, right? So we just put that away. Okay, so I got most of that set up. I need my computer to plug in the microphone, and then I think we'll be ready by that time. Oh, I need an external power source just in case. Let me see, I'm gonna plug it into here. Put this on. Plug this in. Audio check. Oh, yes. Sound is good. Audio check, audio check. Hey, that sounds great. I feel like this is probably gonna be very distracting, but I guess I could shoot it like this way. Okay, that's how I set up my setup, and yeah,